Coach, you're leading for the entire second half on Saturday.
Well, yes. Siguro yung kabataan ng team, no? We need to learn how to finish games, how to play the end game. We missed 18 free throws and losing by 1 point. Gusto nating simplihan lang yung analysis nito is out of the 18, if we could have made only 2, we could have won the game, no? So it's a simple analysis. Aside from that, breaks na lang, no? Yung layup ni Adrian Nocum, open siya, no? Na pag-angat niya, pumitik na yung ano niya, yung calf niya. Kaya namintis niya yung tira. So, baka talagang hindi pa para sa amin. May layup din si Sean na by himself. Dalawa, no? We missed some shots we should have made. And we missed a lot of free throws. But all in all, we still consider that a good game. It's just disappointing because we could have beaten a strong team, probably a contender in this conference. Lumaki sila with Russell. Kapalik na si Pogoy. Jason's playing well, but even with that, we had a really good chance of beating Token Tex. Konting ano pa siguro, konting experience pa sa mga bata. No? We just need to mature quicker. Sabi ko nga, mataas ang ambisyon namin dito sa conference na to. Baka kayanin makapag-semis, no? We'll see, no? Even if it was a loss, ang tingin ko, if you're going to lose, maybe that's the way to lose siguro. To a strong team playing really well, no? Yung namin, was not really happy with the way we defended, no? Yung last 4 or 5 minutes, no? We gave up too many fouls in that situation. Doon nagamit nila Jason yung experience nila, no? Nila Pogoy yung experience nila, no? Just forcing our guys to make bad decisions, fouling them. Marami silang nakuha free throw ng fourth quarter. So, yun lang. We play Meralco on Saturday. We need to get back. We're very aware of our 0-5 start from last conference. That really hurt our chances. So we know na we have to avoid getting ourselves in a deep hole. So kailangan makabalik kami ng Saturday.
Coach, ano yung instruction kay John at Clarito during that last play? Kasi nag-layup na lang sila.
Oo nga, yun nga ngayon dahil hindi ka pwedeng tumawag ng time out ngayon but our last time out, ang instructions doon is if we are able to force a miss, we get out in transition, and it's either we get a layup or an open three, but of course ang ano kasi namin doon, yung 35 seconds to go nung tumime out eh. 30 plus seconds nung tumime out kami. No? We were anticipating na magamit man nila yung 20 seconds, no? And we have 15 seconds, no? on our end. Pero sa 15 seconds na yon, even if we're able to score 2 points lang, kahit na 2 points lang, may matirang 6 or 7 seconds, you can still foul. Pero yun nga, 2 seconds na lang yung natira eh. No? So, nagkulang yung computation ni Jonard. Maybe at that point, yun nga, sabi ko, an option was to take the 3. No? Pero kasama yun eh. Okay na rin yun. Ganun talaga. I think more than the last play, it really was missing free throws. So, yun.
Coach, yung kung ba may concern in the short term, siya pumitik yung calf niya.
Cramps lang. So, ganda ng laro niya, ganda ng laro ni Santi. Ito yung mga bata na we feel na magiging pillars ng team namin. So, magandang ano naman. Si Andre also, unusual na mag-miss siya ng 5 free throws, 5 out of 10 siya. That's not his true shooting percentage from the free throws. Kung nakagawa lang siya ng 2 pa dun sa 5 na yon, nalo kami. No? Then meron siyang crucial turnover din na binato yung bola sa walang tao. Actually, pwede niya nang i-lay up. Pwede niya nang i-lay up. So, yun nga, ano lang. But, I think the important thing for us is we know we can stay with the big guns. Sayang, malaking isda sana eh. Hindi, nakawala yung malaking isda. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.